So we learned this new definition of a parabola where every point on the parabola has to fit the situation that they're the same distance from the focus as they are from the directrix. And that actually defined every point on this parabola, that it's the same distance to focus as it is to directrix. And all of those points made this beautiful curve called a parabola. Now ellipse has a similar definition, only let's read this. The set of all points for which the combined distance from focus to point to other focus is constant. So in an ellipse we have one focus, we have two foci, or some people pluralize it, they call it foci. So we have a focus and a focus, and we're going to find the set of all points that are a set distance total from those 2 points. So for example, if I chose a total of 8 inches, then I could choose a point that's 4 inches from one focus and 4 inches from the other. Or I could choose a point that's 2 inches from one focus and 6 inches from the other, as long as the combined distance, 2 plus 6, is 8. And the set of all points that have that combined distance of 8 should make an ellipse. Now that would be a little tough to measure with a ruler, so they have this trick where if you tape a piece of string, and so you guys are going to do this, you're going to tape a piece of string so that it leaves the paper at one focus and joins back to the paper at another focus. And the length of that string will be like our 8 inches. And so I'm going to do this as if my combined distance was 8 inches. That whole distance is 8 inches. So like I said, if we pull it straight out this way and put a dot right there, that would be the point that is 4 inches from that focus and 4 inches from that focus. And we'd have another one on this side that's 4 inches and 4 inches. But we could stretch the string a different way, maybe like this. And maybe that is my 2 plus 6 inches, and so that would make this point on the ellipse. And so all the combinations of string plus string to equal 8, let's see what that would look like if we trace them all out. So that is an ellipse. That's not just a circle, that's an ellipse. It has that property that the distance for any point on here from one focus to that point to the other focus is that constant amount. And it also has that amazing mini golf property we talked about, that reflective property. So that's one way that you can construct your own ellipse.